Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to explore how to accurately locate the center of any given circle. Our first method involves drawing two distinct chords inside the circle. Once you have your two chords, you'll then construct the perpendicular bisector for each one. These bisectors are lines that cut each chord exactly in half at a 90-degree angle. The precise point where these two perpendicular bisectors cross is the exact center of your circle. It's a straightforward and effective technique. Our second method uses a common right-angled tool, like a carpenter's square. Position the vertex of the right angle directly on the circle's edge. Mark the 2 points where the sides of the right angle meet the circle again. Connecting these two marked points creates a perfect diameter. Repeat this step one more time to find a second diameter. Since all diameters pass through the center, the point where these two diameters intersect will reveal the circle's true center. For our third technique, we'll use a compass and straight edge. Begin by marking any 3 separate points along the circle's edge. Next, draw two chords by connecting these 3 points. For example, connect point 1 to point 2 and point 2 to point 3. Now, just like our first method, construct the perpendicular bisector for each of these two chords. The single point where these two bisectors cross paths is the precise center of your circle. It's a classic geometric approach. Understanding how to find a circle's center is incredibly useful for many reasons. It's fundamental for accurately drawing or replicating circles, and it's essential for determining the exact radius and diameter. This knowledge is vital in fields like engineering, architecture, and graphic design, where precision is key. The methods we've discussed are versatile and can be applied to any circular shape, whether it's a small coin or a large circular structure. Keep practicing these techniques.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.